Hello and welcome. Alibaba stock on 8 December was this types. We can see that was the steps in this video. Okay, we can go for this trend line and we have another trend line here. So we can go for circles that happened here and here, and then that would give us an increase in momentum, and then that was going to be after it a decrease. However, this is what I can see about Alibaba stock. That is the thing that is going to be such seem strange. We can go for this trend line, and this is going to give us an increase here. So that's what can I explain about the video of Alibaba stock here. In this price prediction that we have mentioned, and that would may give us also second price prediction, which is going to be on this movement.